honeys. How's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. I had a taste for some tacos, so got the meat in my rice cooker. Got 2 pounds of lean ground beef. I got some corn on the cob cooking in my air fryer. I put it in a pan, put it in a, I'll show y'all, like a bucket type with a handle to it. I put some chicken broth in it, and I seasoned it with some black pepper and some sugar, white granulated sugar. I don't put salt in my corn before it's cooking because I don't want the kernels to dry out. It pulls the moisture out of the kernels. So I'm going to put salt in the liquid that the corn is cooking on. So it's done. I'll show y'all this I have it in this little bucket. Everything is hot. This little handle. I ain't burning my hand. I won't knock this on the floor either. Okay. Show you how I got the corn. You know, see I got the corn down in here. I broke the corn in half. So I got the liquid down in this pot. I got, this is what I got in here. The chicken broth. Got some sugar in here and some black pepper and butter. So let this do what it does. I had set it on the vegetable setting. This one. The little carrot looking thing. I'm going to season this now. Oops. There's 3 packs of taco seasoning. You're supposed to use 1 pack per pound of meat. I'm using 3 packs because I'm extra. Hot and spicy taco mix by, what is that? Old El Paso. I can see some red pepper flakes in this one. Didn't see it in the other one. Liquid in whenever you put the taco seasoning mix in, so I'm using the chicken broth. Food will not taste like chicken. Stir it up good and let all the liquid absorb. Hold dissolve as much as possible. I like buying the lean ground beef, so I don't have to pour out no grease. This was the 93.7, I believe. Let the liquid cook down, because the meat is already done. Ouch, up to myself. This is the Aroma rice cooker. I'll put a link for the rice cooker and my Cosori air fryer and for my rolling countertop tray. I'll put links in my description box. Okay, getting ready to wash the wings. I'm getting ready to season these wings and probably vacuum seal them so they'll be ready to take out the freezer and just cook. I think that's it. And this is what I'm using for my wings, the spicy yellow mustard. It's not gonna taste like mustard, but it does something. It helps it taste better. Another layer of flavor. Okay, everything is done. Show you the taco meat. I had turned it off the white rice setting and I put it on keep warm. So most of the liquid is absorbed. So I'm going to use my slotted spoon. Taco shell. This is what I'm using today. I picked this up from Aldi today. The kit comes with 10 taco shells, mild taco sauce, which Walter likes, and some seasoning mix. But I already had my taco seasoning, so I didn't need to use it. This is how the shells come packaged up. I'm using this on mine. Chunky salsa. Do my tacos. You know what? I'm gonna put some cheese in the bottom of the shell. I'm using the cheddar. And I had vacuum sealed it because I had opened this up I think last week sometime, so I sealed it. Cheese in the bottom, and then when the hot meat hits it, it melts. It's supposed to be the standing stuff shells. They're falling down. Okay, more cheese on here. Oh, this been over a week since I jarred up my salad. I just heard it pop. I didn't vacuum seal this. Just put the lid on and screwed the top on. This is going on. I didn't buy the shredded lettuce. I knew I had salad, so this will work. Y'all can see it's still good. It's been over a week, y'all. Put my salad in this canning jar instead of leaving it in the bag. This was already made salad. I didn't put no salad dressing or anything in here. It's good, y'all. I wonder how long it'll actually last. I'm going to put some chunky salsa in here. Okay, the air fryer just went off with the corn. I'm going to use a fork for this so it ain't so juicy. It sure is chunky though. Walter don't eat this kind of stuff. It's too chunky. So he can have that smooth sauce. It's in the pack. That's good. Show you all the corn. Just left the foil on. Okay. You know the foil was on it. The top of this was getting brown. The top of the corn. Let's see if that's done. I put on the vegetable setting and let it run for 2 cycles. So that's what I did. I'm going to stick it back in there so Walter get ready for his. It's here. Unplug this. Unplug that. Put this stuff up. Okay. Here's my taco and cornmeal. Okay, y'all. I want to thank you for watching. Thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. And you all have a very blessed day. Bon appetit. My food matches my top. Okay. Bye.